Welcome to the best exciting Galaxy S24 series I feature. These feature are the part of One UI 6.1. Let's talk about the Galaxy S24 series AI features. First, we have Translate Conversation feature. With the Help AI, you can translate any type of conversations in the form text or hear them out loud. All you have to do is to toggle this interpreter button that is present in the quick toggle. The next feature is really powerful and which is very helpful for students. You can basically convert voice recording of meeting or lectures into in the form of text, then ask AI to summarize them for easy use again. That's why this feature is very helpful for students. You can summarization all recording lecture with the help of AI. The next features is really helpful for those who like to read the article. In this feature, with the help of AI, you can summarize any web page. You don't need to read the whole article. This feature is really time saver. The next feature is also related to article. We have the highlight button, which is going to highlight the main part of any article along with reading the article out loud as well. Samsung is utilizing AI for new wallpaper customization. From this feature, you will add different effects as well as, and you can separate the subject from the background. We have the new circle search feature where you can circle any text or image on the screen and then AI give you all the necessary information about the image. This is honestly such a handy feature. So these are the newest and best AI features that coming with the One UI 6.1. We also have the price leak news for the Galaxy S24 series in a major European market of Italy. As you can see, the prices for the base 24 and the S24 Plus slightly cheaper than last year's model, about €49 cheaper, whereas the prices for the S24 Ultra are the same as the 2023 flagship. So it's all leaks regarding the S24 news. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.